Okay, today we're featuring a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda HRV EX. It's got 40,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's white orchid pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. It's got your lock unlock button here in the door handle. It is equipped with sunroof. Driver's side of the HRV is in great shape. It's got the rear backup camera. Everything looks good here. Make our way down the passenger side. It also has a lock unlock button on the passenger side. Turn signals here. It also has a blind spot monitoring camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. But once again, certified 2016, 40,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Right, got the gray and black door panels, nice leather insert right here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have gray cloth seating. Okay, driver's seat's in great shape. Alright, it does come with the 2 keyless entry key fobs. Okay, got the cup holders right here. And let's see how this is gonna slide back. Alright, well, if I could figure that out. There it goes. Alright, sorry about that. Got the 2 cup holders here. Alright, and then once you slide it back, you can lift it open. It's got some storage right in there, okay? Or you can slide it back up again, use it as more of like an elbow armrest. Passenger seat's in great shape. Alright, no problems here. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your climate controls right there, push button start. Okay, and it's got the we'll have to turn it on to get the lights to come on with the climate controls here, but it's got heated seats as well. Okay, backup camera is going to be right there, blind spot monitoring camera. It's going to have your radio display. All right. It does have a steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and then you've got your transmission paddle shifters right back here. All right, blind spot monitoring camera button right there, and then your econ button right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 40,576 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the home screen here. Let me knock some of that glare off real quick. There we go. Alright, here's your home screen. It's got all the different apps on there. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, let me dim that down for you. Alright, got the guidelines on there as well. Okay, put it back in park. We'll go ahead and hit the blind spot monitoring camera button. Alright, and there it is. It shows you a camera angle of the blind spot of your vehicle. You can either activate it by pressing that button left of the steering wheel, or using the turn signals does it too. Well, not in the HRVs, I take that back. Okay, just the button there. Just press that button. There's your blind spot monitoring camera. Okay. Got your climate controls area down here. Got heated seats as well. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Alright, and on my way out, I'm going to pan out a little bit and show you another shot of the sunroof there. Okay. Alright. Back seat cloth looks good. Alright. Let's go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's go ahead and check your storage area back here. Alright, got the nice plastic protector mat back here. Spare tire underneath. Alright. As you can see, there's plenty of room back here in this HRV. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Alright, we've got 17-inch alloys. Okay. Tires are in great shape, brand new set of tires, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2016 Honda HRV EX, okay, 40,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, just one owner. This thing's in great shape, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.